In our facility, we're using it for stainless steel tube pipe and fittings. Putting in multiple holes in our pipe, and then also some ellipticals holes in the pipes. That'll be a lot better process than what we currently have. So current process is a tape measure, lay it on the pipe, take a Sharpie, mark it out, take a center punch, throw it in some saddles or cradles, if you will, and clamp it down, drill a hole, move the drill press, drill a hole, so it'll be considerably faster. So really we have to unclamp the pipe now, rotate it, get it lined back up manually at 180 degrees, reclamp it. So this is all automatic, so it'll be huge. Oh gosh.
That's gonna save a lot of time.
Yeah,
A lot of time.
Yeah, a lot of time. So, and most of it's going to be, you can tell how we laid out the parts. Now it's going to be put the part in the machine, and it's just going to rip right through everything. So, yeah, everybody's friendly here. Always said hi. Felt welcome in your 9 o'clock meetings. Thanks for your hospitality,
Thank you.
and we're looking forward to getting the equipment here at Felker Brothers. So.